Proof that skincare isn't overhyped, and I was not a believer. Let me spill my routine. Vitamin C is not my best friend, and I don't think it should be used every day. So whenever I tried skincare after getting suggested by my friends, and it really started breaking me out, I did that mistake. So you should really know your skin before you try any kind of new thing. So I'm here on my bare skin. As you can see, there's again shine on my face like before. A little bit, there's some little bit of change. I want to reduce this part and this part because obviously I like to go with lesser makeup. I don't use foundation because I like my skin breathing a lot. Whenever I do heavy makeup, मुझे बहुत clogged feel होता है in my face. I'm going to share my skincare routine with you guys. I don't know who will help. So let's go for the first step. That is cleansing. After cleansing, you should use your toner on your damp skin. I use the Plum Rice Water Toner and I'm obsessed with it. Let it dry there for 30 seconds. It should be a little bit damp, and then you use vitamin C. I use vitamin C at night and on alternate days. Nothing is sponsored in this video. I use Foxtail's vitamin C. I used to not like vitamin C, but this one is still okay for my skin. Take it on your hand a little bit. I use it at night because in the daylight I fear that it's going to oxidize. Take a little bit more for your neck. So I tried it for a week and I really like it. So I can recommend this. Again, let it dry for 30 to 60 seconds. The second product which I'm in love with, L'Oreal's Hyaluronic Acid. This is a must-have. Then apply it on neck and step in. You don't need to wait for the next step because this is an eye cream. Foxtail's eye cream, not from PR. I've been using this before the PR came. People apply it directly, but I don't like it. So I use a little bit in my hand. Dab a little. It's really showing a difference. I'm gonna be like, use it guys. Yeah, done. Bye. And honestly, you don't need 10 products. You only need 5 good products, and that's all. That's all you need. This is the retinol I use, and I'm in love with it. Just a little bit. Why am I using lip balm? To avoid any product going on the lips, because the lips and the under eye skin are different. Never overlay. And then a little bit on the neck, and you're done with all your main products. Now the last steps remaining is locking in everything with a moisturizer. But before that, we wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes. The day you decide to use the retinol, don't use salicylic acid that day. Yeah. When you feel like all of it has sunk in your skin, the next step is to lock in the moisture. And use Cetaphil. I highly recommend it. Take a decent amount, not a lot, because if you layer it a lot, it'll stay in your skin till the morning. So not a lot, but yeah, this is how much I use. Of course, use a lip balm. That should be your first step, so that you don't mix it with the actives that you apply, that you're going to apply on your face, and then you can go to sleep. Good night. This is my PM routine.